It's not crafty. It's your craft. It's not DIY.
Cells top ES. Cells top ES. By stop NQ. By stop NQ. By stop NQ. By stop ES. By stop ES. By stop ES. Cells top NQ. GCG5. By trend 1 started. Cells top NQ. Cells top NQ. Cells top ES. Cell iceberg ES. By stop ES. Cell iceberg ES. By stop NQ.
Order filled.
Cell iceberg NQ. By iceberg NQ. Cell stop NQ. Cell stop NQ. By NQ. By stop ES. By stop NQ. Cell iceberg ES. Cell stop NQ. Cell stop NQ. Cell stop ES. By iceberg NQ. By iceberg NQ. Cell stop ES. Cell stop NQ. Sell iceberg ES. Buy iceberg ES. Sell iceberg ES.
Order filled.
Sell stop ENQH5. Sell trend 1 started. Sell stop ES. Sell stop ES. Buy stop ES. Buy stop ES.
Order filled.
Buy stop NQ. Sell iceberg ES. Buy stop ES. Buy stop ES. Buy stop ES. Buy stop NQ. Buy stop ES. Buy stop NQ. Buy stop ES. Buy stop ES. Sell iceberg NQ. Buy stop ES. 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 Buy stop ES.
Order
Buy stop
filled.
ES. Buy stop ES. Buy stop NQ. Buy stop ES. Buy stop NQ. Sell iceberg NQ. NQ. Sell stop NQ. Sell iceberg ES. Sell iceberg and Q. Sell iceberg and Q. Buy iceberg and Q. Buy iceberg and Q. Sell stop and Q. Sell stop ES. Sell iceberg and Q. Sell iceberg and Q. Sell iceberg and Q. Buy stop 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 and Q. Sell iceberg and Q. Sell stop ES. Buy stop and Q. Buy stop ES. Buy iceberg ES. Buy stop ES.
Order
Sell
filled.
iceberg ES. Sell iceberg and Q. Sell stop ES.
Order filled.
Buy stop and Q. Sell stop and Q. Sell stop ES. Sell stop and Q. Buy iceberg ES. Sell stop ES. Buy stop and Q. Sell stop ES. Buy stop and Q. 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 Sell stop ES.
Buying opportunities, it's, maybe a short up here in this zone would have
Sell
played
stop
out, but
ES.
I would rather just miss the opportunities to the short side and look opportunities to the long side.
Sell
'Cause this
stop
was another
and
area
Q.
of resistance, these 430s, 420s, and
Buy
it is
stop ES.
becoming. I mean, we're starting to sell off of it. I mean, this was
Dow's dragging
resistance
us lower.
yesterday, right?
Yeah.
This was resistance. These 420s to 430
Dow might be the
zone.
leader here, Andre.
I think you're right,
Yeah,
Eddie.
it's coming off there pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah, Dow's coming off.
Buy
S&P's
iceberg
finally
and
took
Q.
notice of it.
Sell
Nasdaq's
stop
being a little bit
ES.
stubborn with the
Sell
sell-off
stop
here.
and
Nasdaq's
Q.
saying, nope,
Yeah.
not yet.
Man, S&P
Proof.
traded right to last week's low. 59.65 was last week's low, and just really just barreled off of that.
Hoop says Dow is no bueno. Not right now.
Yeah, it's coming down here. I mean, Dow and Russell holding hands, and they're
Sell
sort of
stop
waving over the ES and
sell
NASDAQ.
stop
Nasdaq.
ES. Sell
This
trend
way.
1 started.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got a 3-bar reversal on the 5-minute. To the short side was at
Buy
394.
iceberg and Q.
20 points off that one so far.
It tilted a 180.
Sell
big.
iceberg
Yes,
ES.
it did.
Buy stop ES. Buy iceberg and Q.
Well, that positive delta, that delta, or that tilt really kind of signaled possibly a high up there, didn't it?
Yeah, it did.
Big time.
Little too heavy long here. Look at these sellers coming in here. Trader
Buy
J.
iceberg
That is what a
ES.
sell-off looks like, my friend. That is not a pullback. That is a sell-off. LOL.
Oh man, that's what a move! What a move right back down. That 3-bar reversal and straight.
Mhm.
Okay, where do we buy it?
S&P.
Where do we buy this?
Yeah.
S&P back to the opening range right now. S&P's back to the opening range.
Boom.
Nasdaq not yet. High of the opening range in the Nasdaq 316.
Okay, I'm long one.
Woo!
Long one.
There you go.
One long at 350. I'm gonna look to scale in.
Buy stop and Q.
This one. NQ. 21.
Sell iceberg ES.
350.
Buy stop and
Well,
Q.
Bitcoin
That's
does
gonna
that.
kill me for not getting into my normal 5. I wanted to scale into this
Got
one, Andre.
350s.
Where'd you get long,
Yeah,
Dakota?
yeah.
350. 350.
350.
I was thinking scaling in with 5 contracts. Usually I just jump in 5 contracts
Sell
right
iceberg
away.
ES.
Freaking.
Dipping a toe in the water this morning.
Yeah,
Buy iceberg ES.
While Dakota determines if he's going to scale in or out of this trade, upper left-hand corner of the screen, hashtag fast markets, hashtag power hour. Hit us up at Topstep TV on the X. Send us your battle station setups, your trader setups. I like to see all the screen
Buy
setups, the
iceberg
lighting,
ES.
see what your system looks like compared to ours. Maybe get some good ideas that way. Also some memes, swag, trader wins. We love that. Performance dashboard analytics. Again, hashtag fast markets, hashtag power hour at Topstep TV. All right, Dakota's long from 21,350.
Buy stop and
Nvidia's
Q.
on its highs.
I guess you could pick the bottom of that pullback when you're only doing 1 contract. Man. All right, I'm just closing that one out.
Buy stop
25
and Q.
points.
Buy stop ES.
nice.
Sell stop
Ho
ES.
hum, as Dakota says. Ho hum.
Should have been a 50 line.
That's my fault. That I don't think I followed my process on that one.
Dakota.
Tesla recovering a little bit.
Oh yeah. How's Tesla doing? Tesla got worked yesterday.
Right there.
Yeah,
at
it's up
350.
Came back a little bit
almost
this
2%
morning.
right now.
All right, yeah, I figured it's a bye eventually.
Andre, I legit got
Nvidia up
350 right there. Wow.
3.5%.
Buy stop
There
and
you go.
Q.
Whoa, Dakota. Dakota, also reversal challenge champion, will be joining us this afternoon to defend his title. You back-to-back champions, Dakota, or just one time?
Well, I think officially it's 1 time, but every time officially it's
2-0?
1 time. We'll say that.
He'll be joining us this afternoon, but that's a long ways away. We got real trading going on here on this Friday, January 3rd, January 4th for some parts of the world.
Sell
Get your
stop
shot
ES.
again here, Dakota.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Thank you, Robert. Number in 9 minutes.
Sailor Moon, it's more about the process, not the dollar amounts. Not the dollar amounts. Yes, I don't
Sell
want to say,
stop
oops, I
ES.
accidentally made
Sell
$500.
stop ES. Sell
No,
stop ES.
it's
Sell stop ES. Sell stop ES. Sell
Yeah,
stop
following the
ES.
correct process
Sell stop
needs
ES.
to be.
Sound like
Sell stop
Dakota
ES.
Spears.
Sell
Oops,
stop
I did
and
it
Q.
again.
Sell stop and Q.
Here we go, straight back
More
down.
so.
the opening range.
Wow.
What
heavy,
is
heavy,
this
heavy.
market?
Lower the opening range, got taken out in the S&Ps.
Personalities.
Sell
market.
stop and Q.
It's kind of like yesterday a little bit. Equities, that is. Crude, gold, pretty much in their range.
Sell
Take a look at
iceberg
the
ES.
gold or crude,
Sell iceberg and Q.
$673.46 a barrel.
Who's the
We're
30,
talking-
35 level you were looking at earlier, Dakota? Where the sellers really came in off the after we put in the high yesterday.
Yeah, we did.
I almost clicked buy right there at 320. This market is.
Question in the chat. Where do we send our power hour? Hashtag power hour at Topstep TV. We got a number in 8 minutes. ISM manufacturing. Could be a market mover, folks.
Yeah.
On trading ahead. Nice. Way to get out, Dakota. Way to get out. You got a feeling, huh? That's pure instinct right there. That's pure screen time. That's pure just repetition right there.
Just
One
used
line
to it,
in.
I guess. Right?
One line out.
Oops, I did it again.
It wasn't just that, though. Come on, it wasn't just that. You realize that this is the
changing
main
them.
pivot that I've been playing off right here at 350s. These 350s, where I said it was resistance, and we broke through that, got into the 400s. That pullback was right down there to 350s, and you know, if there's going to be an area of a support, that was a decent area of support. Sure enough, it did become support again. That pivot from January 2nd.
Buy stop ES.
Where we were saying resistance on our way up. Yeah, right there. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
That's where I bought it when we pulled back.
This is wild.
It wasn't just, hey, I'm going to blindly buy this. It was, we got there.
Vicious snapbacks. Vicious snapback. Wow.
We could see that with
By
the tilt. I
iceberg
mean,
and
tilt is
Q.
very undecided right now. 50, just about 50-50 across the board.
Big time, Eddie. Like Hogue was saying too, tilt got a little too tilty up there.
TCT5.
Like
Sell
77%
trend
long.
one started.
Market ran out of steam. Sellers came in and took it right down. Lower.
I think the steam has gone to gold. Gold sellers kicking in right now.
Oh, how about that? Gold finally woke up, has a pulse.
Yeah, good morning.
Yeah,
Morning.
good morning. Welcome to the party.
Good morning, honey. Time to go to school.
Okay, where do we buy this again? Where do we buy this?
Where do we buy it? We got number 5 minutes, Dakota.
Oh, we just wait for the 5 minutes, right?
Hey, I'm not. Yeah, you're the pro. You're number 2 on the big board for a reason.
Yeah, let's wait for the 5 minutes. Let's wait for the news.
Okay.
I want to buy this right now, but it's just, we need to wait for the news.
Smart. So Dakota trades.
The news is going to rain on
Stop
our